Hello guys, I am back. Today welcoming you all with this. Right in front of us we have the all new E63 S, but this one is not a normal one, this one is the final edition. Yes, it's time to say farewell to the beloved V8 of the E63 S, and this is the final edition. This one is limited to 999 pieces worldwide, and yeah, it's so sad to see the V8 go. It's also the same for the C63 S. As you know, it's official. There's going to be a 4-cylinder replacing the V8 with the W206 C63, which is coming in a few months, and the E63 S is also getting the 4-cylinder, I guess. But before we have this, we still have the V8 with the final edition right in front of us. And in today's video, I will be showing you all the details of this beautiful car. Afterwards, we will be also checking out the interior, and last but not least, we will be listening to the sound of this V8. Guys, I'm right now at the home of driving performance. We are here in Affalterbach at AMG headquarters. At this point, special thanks to Mercedes-AMG for letting us film this beautiful car here. There are a lot of cars that I'm going to film for you, but we will be starting with this. Okay, so let's get it on and start with a walk around. First of all, the special thing about this car is the color option. In my eyes, we have the graphite gray magno exterior paint finish, and it looks absolutely beautiful. We also have a few highlights which I will point out later on. Before we start, 612 horsepower V8, one of the best engines ever produced. We have the MATIC Plus system for the E63 S. Based on the facelift, we will be having the final edition. So let's get it on and start with the walk around. First of all, guys, throughout the body shape and the color option here, this car looks absolutely brutal. Just look at the shape, the lines, and in addition to that we have the headlights right in front of us. These are not the multi-beam LEDs, but these look very aggressive on this car. We have the front bumper, which is full finished in this graphite gray magno, and in addition to that we also have the night package giving us the black gloss parts here also on the front bumper with the jet wing design, the intake. We have the so-called Panamericana front grille with the A-shaped grille finished in chrome, giving it a very nice contrast. And looking from the side, you can instantly see and recognize the shark front and the design language Mercedes and AMG, giving this the final touches. I just love this car so much. How do you guys like it? Let's talk about the wheels, guys, because these are pretty special. Maybe some of you do remember these wheels. We had them on the GT63 S Edition 1 back in the days. The same color option, I think, and also in white. And you also got these wheels, and now we also have them on the E63 Final Edition. You see, we have the multi-spoke Y-shaped AMG wheels. These are 20 inches, and the inside here is finished in black gloss and everything else in silver. Also the brake calipers finished in red, a very nice contrast. V8 bi-turbo 4MATIC badge here on the side with the wider body of the E-Class, the E63. And here on the side, again, special for the final edition, we have these stripes, giving this the final touches. In addition to that, on the C-pillar, the Affalterbach AMG emblem, which looks absolutely phenomenal in my eyes. I'm a huge fan of this. But now, guys, let's talk about the rear of the E63 S. And here we have it. Wow. It's just so crazy looking. I love this so much. Which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the pre-facelift E63 S or the facelifted lights? In my eyes, the facelifted E63 S taillights give this car a wider rear. I just love them and prefer these. We have the box design here in the headlight unit. We have the AMG emblem finished in chrome, the Mercedes Benz style as well. E63 S badge, and also this chrome bar here. In addition to that, we have the rear wing finished in exterior paint, graphite gray magno, one of my all-time favorite colors. The exhaust tips are finished in black gloss, as we have the night package on this car. Yeah, and it looks super awesome. So how do you guys like it? Very cool. Let me also show you the key of the E63 S, the final edition. The AMG key, also with the AMG engraved here, and on the back side we have the Affalterbach badge. Huge fan of it, as well as you have it here on the C-pillar and on the key. This is so cool, just look at it. But now, guys, let's just jump inside and talk about the interior of the E63 S Final Edition. So now it's time to talk about the interior of this E63 S Final Edition. Before we do that and concentrate on the inside and step inside, we have the door panel here, which is finished in full black leather with the yellow stitching. I just love this a lot, as we have a lot of yellow details inside. We also have the carbon fiber interior parts as well. And yeah, the Burmester speaker is missing here, as you see. It's an option, I guess. If you go and get yourself an E63 S, go for the Burmester speaker covers. Will let the car look so much better, and the sound is also way better. The entrance board is illuminated in this yellow color. Also the floor mats are different. These are special for the Final Edition with a nice AMG emblem on it. And now guys, let's just jump inside the E63 S Final Edition. There we go, E63 S animation right there. We are inside. Guys, I'm sorry, it's so hot right now. It's extremely warm. Let me just start the ignition. There we go, inside the E63 S Final Edition, guys. Something very cool on this is that we have the Final Edition badge in here, saying that this is one of 999 worldwide. The seats are also the race seats, as we have the bucket seats with the AMG and the headrest. The AMG also here with the nice yellow piping, yellow stitching, Alcantara leather finish. We have carbon fiber all over the interior, center console, the dashboard, everything finished in carbon fiber with the nice leather works, the yellow stitching. Huge fan of it. The steering wheel is the latest one. Flat bottom. On the side we have the Dynamica, top and bottom finished in leather, yellow stitching. We have the updated steering wheel buttons, which you can switch the driving modes with. Slippery, individual, comfort, sport, sport plus, and obviously race for the E63 S Final Edition. Let me just turn back to comfort, guys. Oh my god, I'm sweating so hard. We have the AMG emblem here. Yeah, a few cup holders and else. But yeah, that's it, guys. Let me just lower the windows and we will be starting to listen to the sound of this car. Switching it to 4 plus. Starting with an emotion start. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So now guys, listen to the E63 S Final Edition sound. The last V8 inside the E-Class E63. It's so sad, but the best way of saying goodbye is by doing this. I love it. I love it so much, and I will miss it so much. Guys, how does this make you feel right now? Saying goodbye to the E63 V8 is just so sad, I'm honest. I will miss it so much. Will you also miss it? Leave it in the comment section below. I'm so sad right now. Let's just jump outside and also listen to the sound from the outside. So now guys, it's time to listen to the sound from the E63 S Final Edition, also from the outside. We will be starting it up with an emotion start, so let's get it on. Crazy sound, guys. We still have the pops and bangs, we have the V8 rumble, even though we have an OPF and all the new sound regulations. The sound is beautiful, and I wonder how the sound of the E63 S of the future will sound like, maybe with a 4-cylinder. Let's see what the future will have for us. All in all, guys, I can just say that I am a huge fan of the V8 and of this sound, and we will be missing it a lot, guys. So that's it then for today's video, guys. What would you like to see next? How does this make you feel right now? Leave it in the comment section below. Share your opinions with me. Looking forward to read all your comments. Thank you very much for watching, and I will be back, but the V8 will be not. We'll miss you. Goodbye.